Introducing Creality K1 3D Printer, a perfect blend of speed, convenience, and family fun right at your fingertips. With the Creality K1, you can always print at blazing fast. Its impressive 20,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration catapults you to a blazing 600 millimeters per second in just 0.03 seconds, ensuring that you enjoy maximum speed for 90% of the printing time. Whether you're designing practical solutions or exploring artistic ventures, the possibilities are limitless. Its robust die-cast aluminum alloy frame, both top and bottom, lets you exceptionally print quality throughout your high-speed prints. And with hands-free auto leveling, an array of strain sensors embedded in the heat ensure accurate leveling, effortlessly creating a smooth printing experience. Creality K1 is designed for convenience and ease of use. Its intuitive interface and simplified controls make 3D printing accessible to everyone in the family. Enjoy the convenience of Creality K1 with its intuitive controls and the power of the Creality Cloud app. Monitor and control your prints from anywhere in your home, making 3D printing a breeze. The Creality K1 brings the joy of 3D printing into your home. Create cherished memories with your loved ones as you explore the possibilities together. From designing playful toys to customizing practical solutions,